Welcome to our video on no water landscaping, where we'll show you how to design and transform your backyard and front yard with beautiful, drought-tolerant landscaping ideas. As water conservation becomes more important in many regions, especially in areas with dry or arid climates, creating a low-water landscape that is both functional and visually appealing is a priority for many homeowners. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of no-water landscaping and provide practical tips for designing a sustainable yard that thrives without constant irrigation. Whether you live in a drought-prone area or simply want a low-maintenance, eco-friendly garden, these ideas will help you achieve a stunning, water-efficient landscape. Let's begin by understanding the key principles of no-water landscaping, also known as xeriscaping. Xeriscaping is the practice of designing landscapes to reduce or eliminate the need for irrigation. This type of landscaping is ideal for areas that experience water restrictions or naturally have limited rainfall. By using drought-tolerant plants, implementing smart hardscaping techniques, and strategically arranging elements in your yard, you can reduce your water usage while still maintaining a beautiful and functional outdoor space. One of the most important features of a no-water landscape is the choice of drought-tolerant plants. These plants are adapted to survive in dry conditions with minimal water. Some popular options include succulents, such as aloe vera and agave, which store water in their leaves, making them incredibly resilient in hot and dry climates. Cacti, yucca, and ornamental grasses are also excellent choices, adding texture and visual interest to your yard while requiring very little water to thrive. When selecting plants for your no-water landscape, it's important to choose species that are native to your region, as they are naturally adapted to the local climate and soil conditions, making them more likely to succeed with minimal intervention. In addition to using drought-resistant plants, you'll want to incorporate hardscaping elements to help reduce water use and add structure to your yard. Hardscaping refers to the non-living components of your landscape, such as gravel, rocks, pathways, and stone walls. These features not only reduce the amount of space that requires watering, but they also provide aesthetic value, creating a balanced, visually pleasing design. A well-designed rock garden, for example, can serve as the centerpiece of your no-water landscape, with boulders and smaller stones arranged to mimic natural desert formations. Gravel pathways can lead guests through your garden, creating a sense of flow and order, while stone borders can be used to separate different sections of your yard, defining areas for plants, seating, and other features. For homeowners who want to go beyond plants and hardscaping, adding mulch to your no-water landscape is a great way to retain moisture in the soil while suppressing weeds. Mulch can be made from organic materials like bark or wood chips, or you can use inorganic options like pebbles or stones, which work well in arid climates. Mulching around the base of your plants helps regulate soil temperature and reduces evaporation, allowing the soil to retain moisture for longer periods, even in hot weather. Designing a no-water landscape isn't just about functionality, it's about creating a space that's visually appealing and enjoyable to spend time in. One way to elevate the aesthetic of your yard is by incorporating native wildflowers that are adapted to dry climates. These flowers not only add color and vibrancy to your garden, but also support local pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, which are essential for a healthy ecosystem. Plants like desert marigold, blanket flower, and lavender are all drought-tolerant options that provide bursts of color while thriving with minimal water. To make your no-water landscape more practical and usable, consider adding outdoor living spaces that are integrated with the overall design. Patios, decks, and seating areas made from sustainable, low-maintenance materials can be placed strategically within your landscape to create inviting spaces for relaxation and entertaining. You can also incorporate shaded areas using pergolas or shade sails to protect against the harsh sun, making your yard more comfortable throughout the year. Surround these outdoor spaces with drought-tolerant plants and hardscaping elements to create a cohesive, harmonious design. Thank you for watching. Let us know your favorite landscaping inspiration in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.